Today we're going to be doing Dragon's Breath shotgun shells wrapped in bacon on the smoker for a couple hours. It's going to be incredible. I'm Rich and this is RACZ Barbecue and Grill. Stick around and let's get cooking. Today guys, we're going to be doing Dragon's Breath shotgun shells. Shotgun shells is something that, best I can tell, looks like the past 8 months or so have started picking up some speed in the barbecue world. I'm sure they've been around for a while, but they've just made their way over to outdoor smokers, wrapping it in bacon, of course. Wrap everything in bacon and barbecue. So the shotgun shells, they're nothing more than a Manicotti shell, and people are stuffing them with ground beef, breakfast sausage, cheese, whatever you can think of. I mean, even this recipe I'm going to show you today, you can follow it step by step, or you can replace everything and fill these things with whatever you want. I mean, it could be beef, it could be lamb, it could be venison, it could be breakfast sausage. It doesn't matter. Whatever you think is a good idea, that's what barbecuing is all about, right? Inventing things, tweaking things, having fun with them. So they're called shotgun shells because it's similar to a shotgun shell. But to take it a step further today, and why I call it Dragon's Breath shotgun shells, is I'm going to be using a hot Italian sausage, coating it with my candied jalapeno barbecue sauce, a little extra bite on top of that, mixing it all up with some cheddar cheese and some queso. Dragon's Breath itself, if you research an actual shotgun shell that you would actually fire from a shotgun, the Dragon's Breath shell actually will fire out sparks and fire. That's why I came up with the idea. If we're gonna make it spicy, let's call it Dragon's Breath shotgun shell. So that's what we're gonna do today. So first thing we're gonna do is, in a mixing bowl, add our hot Italian sausage. And I am using 2 pounds of the hot Italian sausage. It's probably gonna be more than what we need, but it's better than less. To the sausage, I'm gonna add about a cup and a half of shredded cheddar cheese, half a can of queso blanco cheese sauce. Next, I'm gonna add in some of my barbecue rub. I'll put the recipe in the description below if you want to mix this up yourself. Otherwise, just grab your favorite barbecue rub. Anything will do. And just get everything nice and mixed up. Just get some of the filling in your hand. Gently push. You push it a little hard, not too much. You don't want to break these. You just keep going. Each time you push it in, it'll push it into the Manicotti shell. Just gotta be careful. Too hard and you'll crack it. If it cracks a little bit, not a big deal. We're gonna wrap these with bacon, so that'll hold it together. And once you see it coming out the other side, obviously that means it's filled. Like that. Cap it off just a little bit. I like to try to, make sure that it does come all the way to the edges here, because Manicotti shells are not oven ready, at least not the ones that I purchased. So, having the meat all the way to the edge will help make sure that you don't end up with a tough end once it's done in the smoker. We don't want these crunchy, obviously. Okay, the Manicotti shells have been stuffed. We're ready to move on to our next step, which is the bacon. So all we're gonna do, have a pound of bacon, just thinly sliced bacon. I didn't get the thick cut. I wanted to crisp up nice. Lay our bacon out. Alright, so with our bacon laid out, we want to brush it with some barbecue sauce. I'm using my candied jalapeno barbecue sauce. Leave a link up here for the video on how to make that, or once again, just like anything else, use whatever barbecue sauce that you like. But we're just gonna Give these a nice little paint. It'll help it stick to the manicotti a little bit. Also give it a little extra peat, since these are Dragon's Breath. Now all we need to do is wrap each of the manicottis with a strip of bacon. Start on the end, run it on a little bit of an angle. It'll help you keep things a little bit even. We want to go end to end. You got to slide it down as you go. You can do that as well. There's number one. Okay, we have all the manicottis wrapped up with the bacon. Gonna hit it with a little bit more rub on the outside. And then also top it off with a little bit more of the candied jalapeno barbecue sauce. Okay, these are wrapped, sauced, ready for the smoker. So let's get them in there. Okay, our shotgun shells are ready for the smoker. I have the Recteq bowl preheated at 250 degrees. We'll get these on, let them run for about 2 hours, come back and check them, and it should be time to taste test. Okay, the shotgun shells have been rolling for about 2 hours now. Yeah, look at that. Those look beautiful. There you go, man. These things came out incredible. Bacon is nice and crispy. Okay, so let's cut one of these open. Look at that. That looks delicious. These are going to be a hit at your next backyard barbecue. This is an excellent barbecue appetizer to make for your guests when they come over. They're going to love these things. So that's it, everybody. That is my version of the shotgun shells, aka the Dragon's Breath shotgun shells. Give it a try. I hope you like it. Like the video if you do. You know, we're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. You know, let us know if you made them. Tag us, post pictures. And that's it. Once again, recipe will be in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. It will really help us keep things going. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.